Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm absolutely buzzing for this one. Today's topic is how jumping rope changes the human body. Seriously, this simple piece of kit, the humble jump rope, can do absolute wonders for you. We're going to dive deep into the incredible benefits, from torching body fat to boosting your heart health and getting you super fit and agile. We'll cover the basic skills you need to get started, making it easy peasy for everyone, no matter your fitness level. By the end of this video, you'll be a jump rope whiz, or at least, well on your way. So grab a water, get comfy, and let's get ready to learn how this amazing tool can transform your body and your fitness. Let's do this. Come on. All right, team, let's get straight into the good stuff, the absolutely fantastic benefits of jumping rope. First up, and this is a biggie for many of us, is fat loss. Jumping rope is a calorie torching machine. Seriously, you can burn a massive amount of calories in a really short space of time. Next up, let's talk about your heart. Cardiovascular health is so important, and jumping rope is one of the best ways to get that heart pumping strong. It's a brilliant cardiovascular workout that improves your heart rate, your lung capacity, and your overall endurance. When you jump rope regularly, you're training your heart to work more efficiently, pumping blood around your body with less effort. And it's not just about endurance for plodding along, we're talking about conditioning your body for explosive power and stamina. Think about athletes, boxers, runners, high-eyed enthusiasts. They all use jump ropes. So to sum it up, you're looking at a powerhouse workout. Incredible for burning fat, supercharging your cardiovascular system, and building that explosive endurance that makes you feel alive and capable. Let's get those ropes turning. Now let's talk about how jumping rope can turn you into a bit of an athletic superstar, or at least make you feel like one. One of the biggest athletic benefits is a massive improvement in your coordination. Think about it. Your hands are turning the rope, your feet are timing the jumps, and your brain is making it all happen in perfect sync. This hand-eye-foot coordination translates brilliantly into other sports and activities, whether it's catching a ball, dancing, or even just navigating a crowded street with more grace. Then there's agility. Agility is all about being able to move quickly and change direction with ease, and jumping rope is fantastic for developing this. Boxers are famous for their jump rope skills for this very reason. It keeps them light on their feet, able to dodge and weave. Jumping rope, especially as you try different footwork patterns, seriously challenges and improves your balance. Over time, this strengthens all those little stabilizer muscles that are so crucial for preventing injuries and maintaining good posture. Ultimately, all these elements, coordination, agility, balance, quickness, and body awareness, combine to significantly boost your overall athletic performance. So let's get athletic. Alright, so you're convinced, you're ready to jump, but what rope do you actually need? It can seem a bit confusing with all the options out there, but don't you worry, I'm here to break it down. Let's start with the most common type you'll see, especially for beginners, and for speed work, the speed rope. These are typically made with a thin vinyl cord or a steel cable coated in plastic. Next up, we've got weighted jump ropes. As the name suggests, these ropes have added weight, either in the handles or in the rope itself, or sometimes both. Then there are beaded ropes, sometimes called segmented ropes. You might remember these from your school days. They have plastic beads or segments strung along a nylon cord. You might also come across leather ropes, which are a bit old school but still loved by some, especially boxers. And then there are even ropeless jump ropes, which have handles with little weighted balls on short cords. Each type has its place, and it really depends on your goals and preferences. Don't be afraid to try a few different types as you progress on your jump rope journey. Let's dive into the muscles worked by weighted jump ropes. It's a great workout for your upper body, core, and legs. Your shoulders, especially the deltoids, work hard. Your biceps and triceps flex and extend your elbows. Your back and chest muscles stabilize your shoulder blades, and your core keeps you balanced and transfers force. Weighted ropes make cardio a full-body resistance workout. Okay team, this is a really important one, so listen up. Choosing the correct length for your jump rope can be the difference between a frustrating, trip-filled session and a smooth, enjoyable, and effective workout. If your rope is too long, it'll drag on the floor and slow you down. If it's too short, you'll have to jump super high or hunch over, which is terrible for your form. So, how do you find that Goldilocks length? Not too long, not too short, but just right. Stand on the center of the rope with one foot. Then, pull the handles up towards your shoulders. For beginners, the tops of the handles should reach your armpits. As you get more experienced, you might want to shorten your rope. Some ropes come in fixed lengths, while many others are adjustable. I recommend getting an adjustable rope, especially when starting out. Pay attention to how the rope feels. Are you clearing it comfortably? Is it hitting the ground too much? Are you having to alter your posture unnaturally? A little bit of trial and error will help you find that sweet spot. Alright, you've got your rope, it's the right length. Now it's time for the fun part, learning to actually jump. Let's break down the basic skills you need to get started. First things first, proper form. Stand tall with your shoulders relaxed, chest up, and look straight ahead. Keep your elbows close to your sides, hands at hip height. Turn the rope with your wrists, not your whole arms. Next up is the jump itself. You don't need to jump super high. Just a small hop, an inch or two off the ground. Land softly on the balls of your feet, knees slightly bent. Timing is often the trickiest part. Coordinate the turn of the rope with your jump. Practice by swinging the rope to one side. Jump each time you hear the tap. Once you're comfortable with the basic bounce, you can start to explore other beginner-friendly footwork like the alternate footstep, where you hop from one foot to the other. Learning to jump rope can feel overwhelming. Where do I start? How do I progress? A structured plan is a game changer. Introducing the Movers Odyssey Jump Rope Program, designed to take you from beginner to skilled jumper. Easy to follow video lessons and routines. Each session builds on the last. Improve health, burn calories, build endurance, fantastic support and motivation. Connect with others, share progress, get encouragement. Transform your body with the Movers Odyssey Jump Rope Program. Well, there you have it, folks. A deep dive into the amazing world of jumping rope and how it can truly transform your body and your fitness. We've covered the incredible benefits, from torching fat and boosting your heart health to making you more athletic and agile. We've looked at choosing the right rope, getting the length spot on, and mastering those all-important basic skills. I really hope you're feeling inspired and ready to grab a rope and give it a go. Remember, consistency is key. Even just 10 to 15 minutes of jumping rope a few times a week can make a massive difference to how you look and feel. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with fellow fitness lovers. Don't forget to subscribe to Senior Sage for more fitness tips, workouts, and guides to help you live your best, most active life. And if you have any questions or want to share your own jump rope experiences, please drop a comment below. I love hearing from you all. Thanks so much for watching. Keep jumping, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.